This is the Elgato Stream Deck Neo, and it's part of a suite of products aimed at beginners, and it's also Elgato's first budget lineup of products. So in this series of videos, I'll be taking a look at this range of streaming gear and letting you know what I think and what the overall quality and ease of use is like when integrating it into your live stream or video productions. So let's get on with it. This Elgato Stream Deck Neo product is by far the cheapest Stream Deck that Elgato currently do, retailing at $99. Now you can probably get it cheaper somewhere on some deals. There have been some deals in the past for Black Friday, but this particular Stream Deck is the cheapest in their range right now. I think it's quite cute actually. I like the small form factor of it, like the fact that it's white in line with the rest of the Neo range. This is also the first Stream Deck that Elgato have done that has a little multifunction display in the center, so you can show the time of day and the calendar and things like that. I think they will be adding more functionality into this panel later on. It also has a forward and back capacitive button on either side, so you can actually scroll through the pages very easily on your Stream Deck. Prior to that, you would have to dedicate one of the buttons on the Stream Deck to forward and advance through pages. This, I think, is a really handy feature. To also get you started into your streaming or live production journey, the Elgato Stream Deck also comes with some pre-programmed buttons, which I think is really useful and really handy. So depending on what operating system you connect to, in my case it's a Mac, I've got applications available to me, the messaging app, email, things like that. Also got some links to connect to Elgato, and lots of thought I think has gone into the programming of these keys. Now this is set up as the default profile on the Neo, so you can remove it, change it, copy and paste, and do whatever you want. But I think it's a really nice way of introducing you into the capabilities and workflows that the Stream Deck will help you with on your live streaming or recording journey. If you'd like to know more about what Stream Decks can do and some of the capabilities and some of the workflows, then I've created a number of videos for you here that you can take a look at, which will help you with your Stream Deck journey. Since reviewing this range of products from Elgato, I'm quite happy with most of them. I didn't particularly like the Facecam Neo. I think the quality of it wasn't that great. There are better options out there. But overall, I think the rest of the products are really great to get you started with your live streaming journey. The one thing I will say is I don't understand why there are different USB type connectors for each of these devices. You've got USB-A on some, USB-C on others. And I think it would be nice if Elgato, particularly for this range of products, just standardized on the USB connector for all of these devices. But other than that, I'm really satisfied with the products overall, and I encourage you to take a look at the reviews, take a look at other people's reviews, make your mind up and buy the products accordingly, and hopefully it will help you into your new live streaming or video production workflows.